bafethu hayi sama awards bafethu ize ngenye into hayi zenenye yazi ifake ama remix ne of the year inominate ama remix of the year awu 5 lama remix lawo, you understand. And yokuqala utshwala bami babhalile bathi global amapiano energy with a cross continental pulse that lift up every dance floor. And utshwala bami lapho feature khona labafana labo utshwala bami feature khona uBurna Boy, you understand. That's the first remix leyo. And then the second remix is Scooter Baba, and it's about hard-hitting house groove fusing raw township rhythm with a smooth sonic flow or flair. I'm not sure sasilungu phela. So Scooter Baba leso siphethe abo Casper, abo Questa kanjalo kanjani abanye abamculi ke abakhona lapha ku Scooter, you understand. That is the second remix leyo. And then the third remix bathi umngane, but a soulful work rich in melody and emotions and blending warmly with a precision, yes, you understand, which like umngane loyo angithola as another remix. And then bekhona lenye ethi ne remix yakhona izamawala yabona bathi refine amapiano regaining a layered with high note keys and inflation rhythm. Yasiva isilungu ndiyasikhuluma isilungu ngingazodlala kabi la bafethu, yayibona i remix S4 ke leyo bafethu yabo. And then the S5 I'm not sure about it, but it's a guy odibambe so ingathi uDos, but Dos, I don't know about this one, you understand. But lezo for izo enengizaziyo. So bafethu mangicabanga iphi remix ezowina la utshwala bami, but mina like ngiyangala lezo 3 utshwala bami, iScooter Baba nalezi amawala, yabona lezo 3 ikhona eyi1 ezobuya nazo because lezo 2 andizazi lezo 3 yabona. Special utshwala bami phela manje kunoBurna Boy lapha yani, if uBurna Boy naye angayiphusha lethu abavute nantshela bafethu ngawazi ubuya naye. But if uBurna Boy akwenzi lokho hayi sikhohlweni bafethu, sikhohlweni bafethu. If uBurna Boy akwenzi lokho masikhohlweni bafethu, asilibaleni sikhohlweni bafethu, masilibaleni bafethu.